Topic buying clothes. Part 3. Question number 1. Do you like buying clothes? Well, I think I have some shopping therapy. I really love buying clothes. I have a trend, I have a habit of changing clothes in the period of about like 6 months or a year. So I often buy a lot of clothes to rechange all of the clothes that I have in my closet. The old clothes. And then these old clothes are given to charities. So yeah, I have to say that I really love to buy clothes. Question number 2. What kind of clothes do most people wear in your country? Well, it depends on the occasion. People could wear like uniforms when they are at work or when they go to school. But in other occasions, they can wear mostly they can wear whatever they like, and as long as it is not really like the clothes that they wear are not so revealing, and it is suitable for the situation. Well, like let me take going out as an example. Um, Teenagers nowadays can wear anything that they like so that they can express their personalities through their clothes. However, they cannot wear skirts and shorts that are too short and too revealing. And for some special occasions like that holiday or when they go to pagodas, teenagers always have to be careful what to wear and what things to choose to wear so that they can be suitable for the occasion and trendy at the same time. So I cannot I cannot answer this question specifically. However, I have to tell you that nowadays when people are being more open-minded, they tend to wear whatever they like, unless, as long as it is not too revealing and it is suitable for the purposes that they wear and the occasions. Question number 3. Under what circumstances would people in your country wear formal clothes? Well, I think it depends. Formal clothes here can mean uniform, and uniforms is always worn by students, workers when they go to work or when they go to school. Formal clothes here can mean vest and something like that, and these can be worn on special occasions like that holiday, a big holiday in Vietnam, when people go to weddings, when people go to something like big occasion of one's people's life. Yeah, so they would wear formal clothes. Otherwise, they will wear formal clothes on conferences and meetings. I guess so. So that's all I want to say. Question number 4. What is the difference between clothing of the elderly and the young in Vietnam? Well, let me tell you about the young generation first. So the young generation nowadays is more open-minded than the old one. So we can say that nowadays teenagers, the Gen Z, can wear whatever they like, as long as it is not too revealing and it's suitable for the purposes and the occasion that they are wearing the clothes for. Because nowadays people can wear whatever they like as if it helps them to express their personalities, their feelings, and their emotions. Everything is all right. It is people have their freedom, and they have the free to wear whatever they like. So that's what the young nowadays think. However, I don't know really clear about the elderly, but when it comes to my grandmother's time, people doesn't often wear beautiful clothes because at that time the financial a lot of people have financial problem, and their finance is not really their income. They were not really stable and they were not stable enough for them to change and buy their clothes continuously and constantly. So they just wear like one or two pieces of clothes for a week or maybe 2 weeks until they buy a new one. And also, people at that time, they was a little bit like pig-headed. They wear long trousers and long shirt so that like they make the clothes less revealing. The less revealing, the better it would be. But I don't think that is a good idea because they don't have the chance to express their their attitude and their expression and their emotion. So people cannot be unique in their own way. So that's what I think. Question number 5. When do people in your country wear traditional clothes? Well, people in my country wear traditional clothes whenever they like. Like not whenever they like, but on usually they wear on special occasions, like when they go to pagodas to pray, when they have like going to siblings and relatives' house during Tet holiday, or maybe they just wear the traditional áo dài for the photo shoot. Because why not? This action of young people wearing áo dài for photo shoot is not a bad idea because you know what? Áo dài is one of the symbol of Vietnam and it's a really beautiful and gorgeous piece of clothes. So when the youngster wear those piece of clothes, they took pictures and they spread it all over the internet, our country's image will be boosted. So yeah, people wear traditional clothes whenever they like and on any occasion as long as it is suitable because some of the tourists like the foreigners they don't know about the special and the meaning of áo dài. They wear them really revealing and it makes the image of áo dài really decrease a lot. So I think that people should be aware of when and how to wear traditional clothes. And lastly, question number 6, does the climate affect what people wear? Well, to answer this question, firstly, I would like to take an example of myself. So when it comes to hot weather, I usually wear clothes that are comfortable and shorts, like t-shirts and shorts, which make me comfortable, and it helps me to reduce the the water that is released from my body. And yeah, I would rather wear comfortable clothes and I would rather sit in I would rather sit in front of the fan. And when it comes to cold weather, I would rather clothes that is comfortable enough, but still it is like it have the ability to keep me warm. Because you know when it's cold weather we cannot bear it and we have to wear something that keep us warm, like a thick jacket, a thick coat, or some kind of scarf and something like that. So yeah, it depends on the weather. What people wear depends on the weather. I believe so. But however, people still can be really beautiful because nowadays fashion has like bloomed a lot. So every season's clothes have their own beauty and their fashionita. So that's what I want to say. Thank you for listening.